Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Mears and I work for Science Solutions Recruitment, where I manage our chemicals desk. My background is I did a PhD in synthetic organic chemistry and I've worked in the specialty chemicals industry, so I cover our clients that are involved in fine chemical manufacture, API manufacture, drug discovery, and also materials and inorganic chemistry, so anything that revolves around synthetic chemistry really. I offer headhunting and permanent recruitment solutions for our clients, as well as temporary and contract work as well. I also work closely with my colleagues who are involved in the pharmaceutical and polymers and coatings industries as well, where there's significant overlap with some of our clients, and it means that you get the best service out of us. I'd invite you to give me a call and find out a little bit more about what I could do for you, and also by all means have a look on my LinkedIn, where I've got testimonials from happy clients and candidates.